Right, what about yours? I'm not sure what this wee lock is. I think I'm going to call it 140, Master 140. 140s usually say 140 there, I think, but it's a 5-pinner, so only 4 I need picked, like. Get it picked here. It's a decent enough wee lock. Everybody says about MasterLock are bad and this and that and the other, and probably they are, but this is alright. Like, if you want to sit and practice with a lock, this is dead on. 1, 2, 3, 4, back to 2, and we're in. It's not that, it's not hard, but it's fucking teaching you. Oh, sorry about the swearing, like, it's a Belfast thing. I've been trying not to recently. We'll try it again here. So it's pin 1, be false set. Pin 2, pin 3, pin 1 failed. There's a habit of doing that, like, back at there, false. Pin 4, pin 2, easy. Don't know much that you see, but I recommend them. Like, decent. It's a decent enough wee lock. Never you mind what everybody says about MasterLock. MasterLocks are great. I can pick them. Bye, see you later.